Hi, this is Rob. Got a quick video to show you how to repair a Grohe Lady Lux Cafe faucet. The problem here is the switch button that goes from stream to spray. The rubber has rotted away. And you can replace this rubber and find these pieces on Amazon for about 12 bucks. And I'll show you how to do that. So the first thing you do, unscrew the hose. And then all you do is this whole piece gets popped out. Try not to scratch the chrome. That piece just pops out. The rubber's all gone there. Now the new piece, which I got on Amazon, for about 12 bucks. Your other option is to replace the whole head, and that's about 110 bucks. See, this comes with the plastic that I just popped off. I'll just pop this back in. And you're good to go. Show you one other thing that I learned from Tim, the MacGyver Fix-It Man. I didn't know this. You want to clean the screen inside here. You can see there's like a nut shape here. I already got mine loosened, but get a wrench on there. Take that off. And then pop out the screen. Or you can clean it as it sits in there. Clean all that gunk out, you'll get a better spray and clean your whole head off. And that's it.